Produced by Bossman, right?
What's going on YouTube, and I'm back again with another video, guys. And today, I know it's been a minute, I apologize, but y'all, we're here to stay, we ain't going nowhere. Today, man, we got a dope review, a dope unboxing, and a dope on feet. And it's been a minute since your boy brought one of these to the channel. Yeezy 350 Boost. Yes sir, it's been a good minute. Cause I'm not gonna lie, the last few Yeezys 350s hasn't been catching my eye, but for some reason this one right here, it caught your boy eye. This right here, what we have here today, guys, is the Yeezy Boost 350 V2 MX OAT. That's a colorway, size 9, personal size. Shout out to the Confirm app. I've not hit on the app since God knows when, but I hit on these, and we're gonna take a look at these today, guys. I'm gonna show y'all the box. We're gonna get an in-depth review of the shoes, because these shoes are nice, they're different, and they're dope. And we're gonna get to the dope on feet. So this is your first time to the channel, please consider going ahead and subscribe to the channel. To all my day ones, I really do appreciate y'all so much. Thank y'all for rocking with your boy, and let's get it. We on the road to 4K. We're gonna start with the box, regular standard box. This is what comes in the shoe also. These are a regular standard box. If you've seen one, you've seen them all, okay? There's nothing special about it, nothing. Just a regular 350 box, y'all. So yeah, that's it, man. We're gonna get the box out of here, because we're not wearing the box. We're gonna wear the shoes. So let's get to the shoes. Here we got it. What we all been waiting for. I know I'm late with the review, because FedEx want to play around with me, but we're not gonna get into that. I'm gonna show all my real ones who still watch my videos, whether late or early. I'm gonna show y'all and give y'all my honest opinion on these right here, man. At first, when I first seen images of these, I said, yeah, I like them. But as time goes by and get close on release day, because I could have hit on also Yeezy Supply, but I passed. I wish I went with Yeezy Supply, because it probably would have been here already. But anyway, man, these right here. But I still went ahead and got it to confirm. I was like, man, I got a confirmed W. That was not usual. So I still went ahead, I got it. Will I be keeping these? I'm not sure. But it's a nice colorway, I must say. For those who never had a pair of Yeezy 350 or Yeezy period, this is a great starter shoe. This shoe can go with pretty much a lot. And this is their first with the MX colorway on the 350s, which is very dope. And hey, hopefully, see, I know there's supposed to be more colors coming with the MX on the 350s, so hopefully, I haven't seen any images of those, so I think they'll be pretty dope, and keep them going. Something different when it comes to Yeezys on the 350s, because the past few ones have just been the same release or same colorway. Now let's talk about I know a lot of people probably have questions about the sizing on these. I went true to size, and it fits me perfect. I always go through the size, true to size on my Yeezys. And for some, well, like on my 350s, like when it comes to 500s, like the lows, I go up a half a size, because those fit real tight. And with 350s, I go true to size. You can go up half a size. I've done it before. It's cool, but true to size works for me. And I wear the Adidas, the thicker socks, you know, and it still fit nice. So true to size, I would recommend on these. One thing to realize too, on the laces kind of got like a mesh material over it. And also right here on the pull tab on the back, it also has that from the mono pack. I got the mono ice. It's the same way as the pull tab from the mono ice. And right here also is see-through. Right here, see-through. Y'all can see my thumb. It's see-through. So it's the same material right here. That's right here. It's nice. Come with any extra laces? Nope, I haven't seen any in the boxes. So only one standard lace comes in the shoe. Now if you take a look on the inside, you have the Adidas logo and Yeezy on the inside. Of course, you know, the boosted bottom. So that's the great thing about these Yeezy 350s. It's one of the most comfortable shoes that I've ever owned. If you look very closely, you will see the boost on the bottom of the shoe. You can see it right here. So yeah, man, dope. And also, y'all see the patterns and all that going on, the mixed colorways. All shoes are the same pattern, so that's pretty cool too. That's pretty cool. Just for legit check purposes, it won't be two different, you know, shoes. So yeah. Also, I forgot to show you guys this. You know, all the Yeezys come with these right here, y'all. This comes on the shoe. I took it off for the on feet. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah. As far as picking these up on the aftermarket, if you missed out on the release, you missed out on all these websites that dropped them, because these was pretty much sitting. This was a easy cop, which is great because I love stuff like that. It give everybody a chance who want to rock the shoes to get them. But if somehow, some way you missed out on these, they're not going for much on the resale market. I know my size 9 probably like a 260. These things retail for 220. After taxes, it was like 240. So not bad, not bad. So if you're looking to pick these up, I say go ahead and do it if it's your first Yeezy. But if you have plenty of 350s in the collection, I feel like you could pass up on these unless you just really love the colorway. Some people do. This is a nice colorway, but I feel like this is a summertime shoe. So I'm gonna sit on this for a while. I might be returning these because I'm already upset it took so long to get here. So I might be returning these real soon. And but if one of y'all out there wear size 9, I got y'all, retail plus shipping. But with that being said, man, we're gonna get to the on feet because that's what we're here for, and I know that's what y'all here to see. But thank you guys so much. We're on the road to 4K subscribers. I really do appreciate y'all. I love y'all. And until the next time, man, tell a friend, 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 tell a friend. And we out. Peace.
Take you to a place where the wild grass grows and it gets untouched cause we barely go. The balance of bliss, ballistic, listen and study how we barely know anything but our hearts, and our hearts will sing no karaoke. Boy, you funny as hell, hee hell and hell ain't no joke. The irony in the land of no TV, but it's so remote. Let me daydream, I'm a firefighter, I'm a T-Rex. My arms short, I eat necks. I'm a ghost, I'm a phantom. Anything you can fathom, I imagine any action, illustrate them from captions. Old ship, I'm a captain. Spaceship, relaxing.
I bought myself a Lamborghini.
By far, reaction. When my wings and my lungs blow fire, I'm a dragon. And I'm happy, cause it happens in a natural way, full of passion. In a place where the wild grass grows and it gets untouched cause we barely go. The balance of bliss, ballistic, listen and study how we barely know anything but our hearts, and our hearts will sing no karaoke. Boy, you funny as hell, hee hell and hell ain't no joke. The irony in the land